MT put a ring on it. MT revealed that he has changed Nicole Chinsumi's title from girlfriend to fiancée after he put a diamond ring on her finger. It looks like MT was listening attentively when Queen Bey said, "If you like then you better put a ring on it," and he's done the right thing. The rapper took to Twitter to share the news. "Got engaged. No cap," he wrote. The rapper told Chwisa Live that he popped the question on Sunday while the pair were in Ghana at a hotel they were staying in. "It happened on Sunday. We were in Ghana at the hotel we were staying in. It felt like the perfect moment and the place was a nice place to be. MT has been hunting for the perfect ring for a while. I had been searching for the right ring for a while. You know, browsing for one for a while because this proposal was long overdue. I've wanted to do it for a while, but I also had to pace myself and not rush into things." MT and Nicole have 2 sons together, a 2-year-old son named Avery and his baby brother Logan. MT said he's known for a while that Nicole was the one and said he loved the fact that they could sit in silence and not be awkward. "A lot of people don't understand me, but she does. She understands my intentions in life and where I want to go. I've known her since high school when I had nothing. We can chill together in silence and it's great, and she fulfills me." MT said they would take their time to plan the big day because he wanted everything to be perfect for her. The rapper told Chwisa Live earlier this year that being a father had also helped him to grow in other areas of his life and set his priorities straight. "I have grown as a person as well, to understand that I have responsibility and to know that whatever that needs to be done will be done. I'm a hustler and my children won't lack anything," he said. Tweeps congratulated the rapper on his engagement. Halala.
Yeah.